beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can assemble your 3D butterflies. So I made them recently and they're in my Etsy shop, so they're available there. They look very beautiful. You can use them in all kinds of craft. You can use them in your journals, or you can put them in vintage book, or you can put them in mixed media, everywhere that you can make. So I've prepared some of examples where you can use them, and also you are going to receive, while purchasing them, after purchasing them, you're going to receive one PDF with 3 pages and the correct numbers of the butterflies are 12. So it's very easy to cut them out, and as you can see I distressed them with some ink. Also, please subscribe to my channel and watch the rest of my videos. Give a thumbs up and like this one, and like the rest of my videos. And I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. So I'm going to show you what I made as a design and as a project. I'm going to use this vintage book that I have from many years, and it is very vintage. It is from, let me show you, there is 1977. So you can put it in some kind of vintage books like this one. I put here 2 of those butterflies. There it is. They look very beautiful. I like the way they look, especially on the sun. And I'm going to show you on one junk journal that I prepare as an example. There it is. They look great in junk journals, especially if you have a lot of vintage or distressed papers, like I put in this one. And you can use them in a lot of different craft projects. Let me just close this one. Oops, I'm sorry. And I'm going to show you how you can make them as a card. So I prepared, as you can see, completely white paper. And I'm going to put first this one. Just fold them correctly and align them. It's very easy. I'm going to put the first, the third actually, butterfly over the card, because she's going to be the base. And I'm going to glue the first one. I'm going to glue only the middle side without the wings for the second one, like this, as you can see. And I'm going to glue it here. I'm going to make the same thing with the second one. And I'm going to glue it on the third. And let me just close it and show you. And this is going to be your card or your craft project. So I showed you a lot of ways where you can use those beautiful butterflies, as you can see. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that it was fast. I'm going to put link from where you can purchase them. So see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.